check the seat and I'll let you know, okay?
What's going on?
Shit crazy,
You got something
bro.
right there, bro?
No, I'm
That
sorry.
boy got
man.
the LED lights on the back of the on the back of the cruiser. You feel me? Stop playing with him.
For me?
And he stole somebody's dog.
Stacy, you're gonna be placing handcuffs.
Where the hell you get that dog from, bro? Like you up to no good. We threw that bitch. Oh, my mama. That nigga threw the dog. Come on, man. Not the dog, man. What the dog do, man? He thought the dog was gonna buy him some time. Police blocked that shit. Ugh. Get the fuck out my way. That nigga ain't had no ID. What you doing with the dog?
Let me get by.
Did you take all y'all to catch him?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Take him.
Burners.